Now I want to tell you the results required for solving the problems related to derivatives. First question, first result, important formula, derivative of any constant number is always 0. Second, derivative of x to the power n, that is x is variable, n is constant. Result is n into x raised to the power n minus 1. Then third result, if I talk about derivative of e raised to the power x is same as it is e raised to the power x. Fourth, derivative of a raised to the power x, a is any constant number, x is variable, answer comes a raised to the power x into log of a under base e. Then derivative of log x, if base is e, 1 upon x, and derivative of log x, if base is a, it is 1 upon x into log a under the base e. Derivative of sin x is cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x, and derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, and derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Each of the result you can solve and you can find the proof by using first principle, as I have explained you how was the derivative of sin x is equals to cos x in my previous video. Now I am taking a problem, find the derivative of 5 into x raised to the power 7 minus 7 into 2 raised to the power x plus cos of 3x minus log x under the base 3 plus 12. If this problem is required to solve, 5 is in multiplication, so will remain 5, and x to the power 7 answer will be obtained by using x to the power n is gives us nx n minus 1. So this will give us 7 x to the power 7 minus 1. Minus 7 is in product 2 raised to the power x. If I tell you what is the answer of a to the power x, it is a to the power x into log of a is that base 2 here, plus cos of 3x, derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So derivative of cos x will be, cos 3x will be minus sin 3x, end of 3x is 3 by chain rule, minus log of x base 3, it is 1 upon x log a. Log of x base a is given by 1 upon x log a plus 12, it's a constant number, and separately individually, so its derivative will be 0, whereas derivative of 5, 7 and other values is not 0 because they are multiplied with some specific result which is not a constant. Hence we can conclude it is 7 5 is 35 x raised to the power 6 minus 7 into 2 to the power x into log 2 minus 3 sin 3x minus 1 upon x log 3 under the base e. This is the value of the derivative of required problem. Now I would like to tell you few more important formulae. That is, if a problem is that derivative of two different functions fx plus minus gx. The answer is so simple, it is derivative of fx plus minus derivative of gx. And what is the formula in case if this is not plus minus, it is multiplication. So the formula of obtaining the derivative of the product of two functions fx into gx, the result is given by first, that is fx, into derivative of second, that is gx. First into derivative of second plus second as it is, that is gx, into derivative of first, that is what? Fx. This is the formula for finding the derivative of two different, that is unlike functions, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. If in the problem question is fx upon gx, in place of product it is in division, then the rule is denominator, that is gx, into derivative of numerator, that is fx, minus numerator fx into derivative of denominator gx divided by denominator's whole square. These two questions are very important, and along with these I want to tell you one of the problem related to chain rule. Suppose I want to ask you what is the derivative of log of sine of 3x square. So first we will go to take the problem of the log. Whatever log x, answer is 1 upon. So this become 1 upon sine 3x square. Because log x is 1 upon x, so log sine 3x square is 1 upon sine 3x square. Derivative of sine now is cos 3x square. And derivative of 3x square is what? 6x. So cos 3x square upon sine 3x square as per trigonometry comes cot of 3x square into 6x. So this become 6x into cot of 3x square as per the chain rule. I will explain you few problems related to product and the division rule.